Everybody, this is Monique. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, this is going to be a refrigerator clean with me vlog. If you don't know, me and my husband, we have made the decision to sell our house. We'll also be moving into an apartment. So with that being said, the fridge is going to go into a ventilated storage unit. So I wanted to go ahead and unplug the fridge and get it cleaned out and make sure it's just really clean and it smells super fresh before we put it into storage. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, so I just pulled the fridge back and this is what the fridge is looking like. And this is why this is a reminder to myself why it is so important to pull your appliances back and clean behind your appliances. We've been in this house for a little over 4 years now, and I never pulled this fridge back and cleaned behind it. And now I just learned the importance of why you should do that. Okay, so this is what behind the fridge is looking like. As you saw just now, I swept the floor. I'm not going to mop back here, y'all, because the company we are selling our home to will actually have a cleaning company come in and clean the whole house. So the house will be pretty much clean. Every room will be clean, but you know, they're going to have their own people come in and do like a professional cleaning. I did unplug the fridge. The fridge was plugged into this wall right there. And let me show you the back of the fridge. This just FYI for anyone who is moving and you have to move your refrigerator or your appliances. So here's the plug. I taped it to the back of the fridge. So that way it could just go into the storage unit like that without the plug dragging. So I highly suggest you just tape your cord to the back of the fridge. This is some sort of coil running from my fridge into the wall, and it poked me up here, but I'm gonna just have the movers unhook that for me. But for the most part, my fridge is unplugged. It's no longer plugged in. So at this point, it is gonna start defrosting. Hey y'all, so I wanted to show you all really quick for just a second this line of demarcation. I'm gonna clean the whole side of the fridge. I'm also gonna clean the other side of the fridge, but because the fridge was pushed up against the wall and beside this counter for so long, you know, just a line of demarcation from dust and debris or maybe crumbs and stuff that may have fallen off the counter has all kind of built up right there on the fridge. So I'm gonna wipe the whole entire fridge down. But again, this is why it's really important, and I'm learning this too in this vlog as I go along with y'all, but it's just a really good reminder, and it's just a really good learning point for me to know and to remind myself, like, hey girl, you know, pull your fridge, pull your appliances back, you know, every so often and clean behind them. So we don't have any more ice left here in our ice maker. In fact, even though the fridge is unplugged, I'm still gonna put the ice maker in the off position just to make sure. And the way we are keeping, hold on y'all. The way that we are keeping our drinks and whatever food we do have here that needs to be cold, the way we are keeping our food and drinks cold is through using some small coolers. So I have one of those small, like little rolling coolers that you could get from Walmart, like smaller mid-size rolling cooler. And then my husband has one of those Playmate handheld coolers. So I also bought a bag of ice from the store earlier, and that's what we're using to keep our drinks and food cool. Like I said, today is Saturday and we're moving Thursday, so it's only for a couple of days because I definitely wanted our fridge to go ahead and start defrosting. And let me show y'all a clip really quick of me cleaning the fridge out as far as like taking the food out this morning. We had some chicken down here. I mean, I really hate to throw it, and I was actually defrosting this because I was going to cook it, but it is what it is. We're gonna have to throw that out. I mean, this is just the honest truth to moving, and I did not want us to spend money on a full-size cooler, because even though you could get like a full-size cooler for like $26 at Walmart, and it's not the money aspect of it, guys, it's just the fact that we're gonna be left with a whole cooler to store. And even though we do have a storage, but now that's taking up unneeded space in our storage unit, and we're not going to use that cooler like ever again. So, and I'm not the type to buy something like a cooler and put my food and stuff in it and then take it back to the store. Yeah, that's not happening. That's not how I roll over here, guys. Come in and let you all know, I know that some of you who watch my video, some of y'all may have never even moved into your first place yet. So this is for those people, okay? The rest of y'all, I know y'all get it, y'all know. But for my young people out there who may have never moved into their first place, or you're just now moving into your first place, I just wanted to let y'all know, with your refrigerators, we had shelves here in our fridge that we decided to take out and not use. So for an example, this shelf come out of our freezer and it went probably here, or it might have went somewhere down here at the bottom. But see how we created all that space right there in the bottom part, from here to up here with space, so we could stack up a whole lot of meat here. Or like right here, we didn't have a shelf here. It was right there where my towel is. We didn't have a shelf, so we always stacked our ice cream up right here. Yeah, so I just wanted to show y'all that yes, you can move your shelves out of your fridge, as well as like your little pockets in your door. So if you don't want a pocket there, you can move that. This fridge actually got different little levels, so if I want it up here, I could put it there. Or if it works better here, like I have mayonnaise, and up here is not tall enough for mayonnaise or whatever I'm putting there, I can move my little shelf down here. Just be careful when you move your stuff and make sure you don't break it.